Children, try to solve these addition word problems. Problem number 1. Mary has 3 beach balls and found 2 more. How many beach balls does she have now? The answer is Mary has 5 beach balls. Next, Mary saw 2 starfish. Then 2 more starfish floated on to the sand. How many starfish can she see now? The answer is Mary sees 4 starfish. Next, Mary saw 5 fish swimming. Then 2 more fish joined them. How many fish can she see now? The answer is Mary sees 7 fish swimming at the beach. Next, Mary saw 1 turtle on the beach. Then 2 more turtles wanted to join him. How many turtles can she see now? The answer is Mary sees 3 turtles on the beach. Next, Mary saw 1 surfer surfing. Then 1 more surfer wanted to join in on the fun. How many surfers can she see now? The answer is Mary sees 2 surfers at the beach. Next, Mary saw 7 crabs in the sea. Then 3 additional crabs wanted to join in on the fun. How many crabs can she see now? The answer is Mary sees 10 crabs in the sea. Next, Mary saw 2 dolphin mothers and 3 dolphin cubs. How many dolphins can she see? The answer is Mary sees 5 dolphins in the sea. Next, Mary saw 2 large clownfish and 4 small clownfish. How many clownfish can she see? The answer is Mary sees 6 clownfish in the sea. Next, Mary saw 3 small seagulls and 3 big seagulls. How many seagulls can she see? The answer is Mary sees 6 seagulls by the sea. Good job, children. See you in the next videos.